Okay, constructing a simple interest graph. Here we go. Um, Draw a graph showing the amount of simple interest earned over a period of 4 years if $1,000 is invested at 6% per annum. Use the Use the graph to estimate the interest earned after 8 years. So what we've got is we're going to extrapolate. So we're going to get data from outside of what we've got. But that's right. We're going to work out what we're going to put. So I equals PRN, and it's going to be $1,000, and it's 6% per annum, so that is 0.06, and we're doing it for, don't know why I did that. We're doing that for n years. So what we're doing here is if we put that into a calculator, just that 1,000 times 0.6, you're going to get 60n. So we now have a formula. And if you look at it closely, you'll notice that this formula or this equation is actually a straight line or a direct variation. And it's in the form of y equals mx plus c. So it's in the gradient intercept form that we've talked about earlier. But what we can do is now, rather than just using that, we're going to use a table of values, and we're going to plug in our n's, get our i's. So at 0 years, it is 0. After 1 year, it is 60, then 120, 180, and 240. So what we're going to do now is plot those points on there. So 0, 0 is there. Then after 1 year, it's at 60, so it's a little bit above halfway. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way out to 4 and go to 240, which is about halfway. Oh, apparently I'm going to do that. There we go. Click, click, click. And we're going to try and draw a straight line through that. That's not bad. Let's have a look and see if our other points, how accurate we were. So 3 should be at 180. That's pretty good. And that should be at 120, and that should be at 60. So hey, that's not bad. Okay, so that's our graph. From that, we now need to use the graph to estimate the interest earned after 8 years. So we go across to 8, go all the way up, boom, and it gives us about that. Now, like I said, my graph is not accurate. I'll redraw my graph just to try and get it a little bit more accurate. I should be using a ruler for this. That's a bit better. And so when we go up from 8, we go up there, and we are just short of that. So it should be the interest after 8 years is $480. So that's an approximate. I mean, it's actually right, but it's an approximate based on your graph. So the more accurate your graph is, the more accurate that answer will be.